chubby blue devil that calls herself EruthyII is in your body now? EruthyI's what blessing? And that's how this newbie went. What's Director Bernal thinking?
Anyhow, this is the old director's decision. And I know for a fact that it's a wise one. Because I'm a fortune teller who can— It seems like your memory loss might just turn out to— Now, since you're back to square one, why don't you come up with a name you like and sign it here? This is the time after the arrival of gods. The Dubriostals brought new faith and technology to humanity, but also gave the Crystallis conflict technology and magic, ignorance and liberty, ignorance and freedom, the old and the new. This place, the planet's most prosperous of cities, has it all. This is Oshfer. Director, thank you for choosing to brave this thorny path and becoming part of our team. But I still think, Director—
Guys! We have a situation! Ruko went into this mini Fantasyland alone and went missing! Just in the nick of time!
Seems like the teleportation went well. Thanks to Director's key ability, we arrived in time. But it seems like the actual fight is still up to us. It looks like we're safe for now.
How did I?
Ruko!
Yuffie, Chlor, Director, you're all here. What are you doing here?
What exactly were you thinking?
Guys,
You know how worried
I'm
I
terribly
was?
sorry for putting you through
Ruko,
this.
why did you come to Fantasyland on your own? You know very well that your soul will get corroded very quickly without the Director's protection, don't you?
I was assigned to help with the investigation for the mission Arrival of Fantasyland in Rolana. But a mini Fantasyland popped up. And this mini Fantasyland carried a familiar trace. It reminded me so much of my missing older sister. So I thought I'd just come to see what I could find. But then...
Don't worry, Ruko. No matter who she is, she can go home safely as long as we liberate Fantasyland.
That's right. As long as we have the Director with us, we just need to keep moving forward.
Now, shall we?
Leave it to me.
I've got your backs.
Just you wait. I'll show you what this lady can do.
You...
Go away. How about this?
Return to dust.
These are the rewards, right? Great work, everyone! Sis? Is that you?
You shouldn't have come here. And as for you, you disgust me.
Hey, is that really your sister? Something's wrong with her. Seems like this isn't going to be the heartwarming reunion we thought we'd see. Director, we await your command.
A twisted fate. How lamentable. Sons of fate, hear me.
Go away. How about this? Time to show you what this lady can do!
Time to end this farce.
Everyone! Here's your second wind!
You shall be judged! Don't let your guard down. Remember to recover.
Weaklings.
Sis! Why? We don't want to fight you!
We? Ha! Found new friends to play charades with now, have you? You think you're oh so strong now. You haven't changed one bit over the past 5 years.
No! Sis! I won't make the same mistakes again!
Silence! You are a child that has been pampered since day one. You know nothing.
Bastard!
How dare you!
You have my power, but you're too weak to control it, huh? I'm not about to die here with you. So, let me do you another favor.
These are the rewards, right? Great work, everyone!
You're finally awake. Are you feeling all right? Thank you. But we have...
Don't be too hard on yourself, Yuffie. You guys already went far and beyond against an enemy as strong as that. Greetings, Acting Director of Gopher Troop. I am Miria of the EruthyII Alliance. Assigned to... I believe you've heard about Ruko Kaneki? Fantasyland's corrosion is already affecting her physical form. The medical team just sent over a new report. Apparently, this thing beside Ruko had a mana reaction and exploded.
That's Ruko's sketchbook. She told me the sketchbook holds her most important memories, and that's why she carries it wherever she goes.
I think so. The direction of the mana flow from the sketchbook is unmistakable.
Northeast of here?
The connection between Ruko and the manor. Let's head for the manor.
Thank you, Miria. We don't have much time, Director. Let's head out.